What's stopping you from becoming a content creator? Time, skills, equipment. What if none of that mattered anymore? Start with any idea you have. Just like a short video about the history of ancient Romans. From idea to viral videos in seconds, fast-track your creative process with Imagine Shorts. Whether you're a content creator crafting viral videos, a storyteller weaving compelling narratives, an educator making complex topics simple, Imagine Shorts is your one-stop video solution. All you need to do is enter your topic, select the language, optionally adjust the duration, and our AI does the rest. You can also choose a voice, make other adjustments, add captions, and include background music, then just hit generate.